Hey guys, welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. Today, you need to stay tuned. I'm here with Sunny. How do you say your last name?
Lenarduzzi.
Lenarduzzi.
Everybody screws it up.
Sunny Lenarduzzi. I didn't want to screw it up for you. We are getting into her closet. So Sunny, tell them quickly what you do.
I teach people how to use YouTube to build really, really big businesses.
She does. And she's amazing. And I actually followed Sunny, and then Sunny happened to reach out to me. So here we are.
Yeah, here we are, yeah. And also, just shameless plug, but you can go to Sunny Lenarduzzi on YouTube and find my channel.
You can.
Yes.
You actually, she tells you how to grow your Instagram organically, how to blow up your YouTube. I've watched all these videos. They were really good. And actually, I used a lot of the tips. Okay, before you're sick of us talking, we are cleaning out Sunny's closet. Sunny actually is very fashionable. She's a teeny little thing, and she just wanted a little bit of an update. So we're gonna go into her closet, and you guys can check it out. And this is what a stylist would get rid of in your closet. If you're ever wondering what happens when I come into someone's closet, I always have plastic bags ready and hangers. Sunny went to get these. And then, come on over here. What happens is I take everything out of the closet. So we're gonna do that right now. Sunny's closet is pretty good. We'll give you a sneak peek. It's pretty organized. She doesn't think so, but I think so.
So here's the thing. I think I've moved to a direction of like, I don't want a lot of things in my closet. I want to be able to go in my closet and be like, I know exactly what I'm wearing.
Yes.
And not feel overwhelmed. And so I like having little flashes of like nice things, but I'm not a bougie person. I don't like shit that's really expensive. But like this was a one treat thing for me. And I wouldn't mind getting like one nice bag, because you can tell I cluster.
This is a nice bag.
Thank you. That was from my wonderful boyfriend. But I would like one nice like little bag that I can wear like with that and with outfits that can just style up basics.
I know the exact bags that you should have. Then that's kind of the way I like on my YouTubes. And if you guys check that out, I have a YouTube 10 things every stylish woman must have. And one of them is a nice bag.
Perfect.
And so it's just because you can wear like a $3 t-shirt that you got at Value Village and a nice bag. And your bougie belt.
And your bougie belt.
And your jeans and your styling, right?
Totally.
So that's the thing. I love the way you're thinking, and less is more anyway.
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
So I bought these shoes. I never really wear them. I like the idea of them, but I don't know if I should keep them.
I think, okay, I'll tell you what it is. I've done the same thing. And they're clunky, right? Like, they can be tough to wear with jeans. I think you need a dress, like a long gypsy dress with these that kind of hides them but gives you the height. So, Sunny, who doesn't go anywhere,
has all the purses.
All the purses that a woman would need in black.
Yeah,
they're good though. Actually, I like them all, truthfully. But you don't need them.
I don't need them.
You just need one.
And that one can go away, like,
Okay.
It's too many things.
Okay, too many.
Yeah.
We only need one of this one. What is this bag about? Let's talk about this bag.
So that's my prom bag from high school. And I haven't had the heart to get rid of it. And it's useless. Look how small it is. Nothing can fit in here. Okay. Like, I don't even know how to open it anymore.
You need to say thank you to this bag.
Thank you.
You've served me well. You will never use it again, but somebody else might.
I hope so.
Like a photo shoot or like...
Who knows? You know? Okay, bye.
These two are too similar to keep them.
Yeah, agreed.
So this one is a gift. We're gonna keep that.
Yeah, we're gonna keep that one. I like the idea of it. I just don't know if I'm gonna use it. But I'm like, is this a classic bag that I shouldn't throw out?
You know, in my opinion, it's
ripped and shit
It's just a bit like, it just looks tired.
Yeah, it is tired.
So I would just let it go. Okay. Because you're gonna class it up. Do you know what I mean? Like,
thank you.
It was a great bag, thank you. I love it. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's now, it'll drag you down.
I'm just gonna put all this random shit.
Yep, I know. Okay, so this one we use.
Yes, I do use this as like a work bag.
Perfect.
Yeah. I like them a lot. I haven't styled them with much, but I have a blazer that I wear them with. And
I like them too. They look good with a short, like tight top.
Yes.
Crop.
Yeah.
Okay. How are you dressed up?
And the only way I wear them is at home.
Yeah. But if you wear them at home, that's fine. But I'm going to guess that because you don't choose them, you're just not going to choose them.
Yeah.
So let's get rid of them.
Okay, done.
Okay. Middle.
And again, I like them a lot, but
I love these.
Pardon?
I love these.
Yeah, but I don't know what shoes to wear.
So I would wear these with like do you like t-shirts like this? Like
I do, and I have none of them.
A band tee and a jean jacket. Like if I was gonna throw these on, I would throw them on with this t-shirt and a jean jacket if it was cold. And I would actually wear these with flip-flops.
Okay.
And I like hate flip-flops.
Okay.
Anyone who watches my channel knows I have like a thing against flip-flops. Okay. But these kind of suit that vibe.
Yeah, I wear them with like Birkenstock sometimes. Yeah. Okay.
So maybe not the brown Birkenstock.
No. Oh, okay.
So these would be a bit better. Look, I'm
okay.
I'll show you. I have size 7 too. But if you saw me like this, and a jean jacket, would you think that was cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would think you're super cool.
Yeah. I think they are cute. And there's a top of Aritzia I found that I think would work with these.
Okay.
So because they're tight, I found a bodysuit It's actually a collared kind of like silk top.
Oh, cute.
So it tucks, it looks like a silk blouse, but it's not. It's a bodysuit.
Okay, great.
So I think that would look really cute.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, these are too big for you.
Yeah, those are extra small though.
They've changed.
Have they?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, so we need to
Let's keep them until we bring the new ones home.
Okay.
And we'll just see.
Okay.
Also, I feel like you would want to crop because you're tiny.
Yes.
And these are way too long.
Yes.
Like, I don't think these would look good.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? But I want to keep them until we get the new ones.
Should we put them in the maybe then?
Yes.
Yeah.
So Sunny really loves these pants and I love these pants. These are by Frame. They are kind of like a wide leg bell bottom, which is super on trend. The color is on trend. Like, but I think they're too short-waisted for her, and I think she's tired of wearing them only with tall shoes.
Yes. Yeah.
So I recommend cutting these a little bit lower. So these would be so cute on an everyday basis with flat shoes. Okay. A little short tee, any type of like runner.
Okay.
These are great everyday jeans.
Great. Perfect.
Okay. These overalls, I really like them. I think I just did a video on overalls. I'll link to that below. But and how to style them. But I think it doesn't matter. I think if you love them, it doesn't matter.
Keep them.
The style is all the same.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Done. You can wear them at home, but also they're not terrible when I just don't know how to style them.
So, I mean, these could be styled up or styled down. They're again that kind of confusing in between. I can see why you feel like that.
But they're a good length for me, which is why I choose them.
I feel like you wear them around the house and then we'll run out in them.
Yeah.
I feel like I again would put on like just a little casual tee. You could wear sneakers with these. You could wear like a sandal. Okay. But they could also. I don't think they can be that dressed up. They look dressed down.
Could be. Like you could.
You could put on your classic black heels and like a cute black top, and you could actually use a leather jacket.
Yeah.
Because they're joggers.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cute. That's the cute little skirt that I got this summer.
Super cute.
But again, bought it and like don't know how to style it, so didn't wear it.
Okay. Yeah. And I'll show you how to do that.
I also think I have a big issue with like seasonal things. I don't know, like, is that appropriate for fall at any point?
It's fine right now. It's hot out. If the weather is like
doable,
allowing you to, chuck it on with anything. And like another thing, don't overthink it.
Yeah.
Put the freaking skirt on.
Yeah.
And then any plain tight top, which I think you're missing the basics.
I am.
Which everyone is missing the basics.
Yeah.
I've been in thousands of closets. I don't care if you're like in Coldplay or stay-at-home mom. It's the universal, the basics.
The basics are missing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'm just gonna put that there. You'll see the organization.
Those are cute. I wore them a lot this summer.
So cute.
Yeah, so you can keep those.
Tight little top.
Yeah, that'll make it again.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those are also fucking cute. I love those.
These are cute.
Yeah. I wore those a lot when I was in Europe. Yeah,
okay.
Keep those.
For you, I forget where I bought this one.
Yeah,
but I have a million
cute.
tees like
I
this.
I just have none. Like
I work with this company. I'll connect you.
Amazing.
Yeah,
okay.
but there's just like there's tons of grungy shirts, and I just can't think right now. But I would throw it on easily with a shirt like this.
Okay, great.
And a pair of runners.
Okay.
Like white runners.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay.
Or like Aritzia has these plain little tanks. It's a basic.
Okay. Basic.
Any black tank.
Yeah.
So again, don't overthink it. These are basic too.
Great. Perfect. Yeah. That skirt is great. Again, I never think about it and never choose it, but it looks fucking awesome on me.
Yeah, it's so cute.
It's like a wrap skirt situation from Aritzia.
You know what I would wear with this? This requires a tight black crop tank top.
Okay, got it.
And I would keep it as one look because you're teeny.
Yeah.
So I would try to look taller as a smaller person. You need to like one color is like your
monochromatic. I don't know why I said that.
Monochromatic is your best friend.
Yeah. And what shoes does one wear with that?
You could wear runners. If you're dressed, you could dress it up with those black heels that you have.
I also don't own a classic black pump.
Okay, so I would almost suggest we need black. You need probably all the basics.
I do.
Black classic pump and nude.
Yeah.
I wear my nude all the time.
And then I said to my boyfriend, because like even when I'm speaking in San Diego, I think I've been like struggling trying to find my style when I speak, and so like last year when I was speaking, I was doing like blazer and like the
I saw that,
and I'm like, it's not really me.
No,
like I don't want to wear heels on stage.
No,
but I still want to look cool.
Show me the bum.
Sunny's bum's still in these leggings. That's her bum. It's looking really small.
I got a booty on me though. Yeah, it like stays. It doesn't.
You do. Okay, but those are done.
Those shoes. Yeah, and I like the shoes you walked in into.
Yeah.
So
we should get you a pair.
What are those?
Alexander McQueen.
I'm down.
Worth it.
Yeah, worth it.
My thing is,
how do you keep them so clean though?
I just Mr. Cleaned them this morning. Actually,
Mr. Clean.
Yeah, because my son actually dropped his smoothie on them yesterday. And
oh,
it's like, shit. You need one pair of runners. Do you know what I mean? So you buy those ones, you wear them till you're done.
Yeah.
And then you buy some new
ones. Yeah. Yep. I bought Cole Haan's when I trip to Europe, and have bought me those actually. They're a little too small now. And they're just like, yeah.
I believe that you might be this size.
I actually fit them still, but they look cheap.
But and they have a stain.
Yeah.
I also believe that my 12-year-old son is this size. Okay.
Oh, I do.
I'm giving away Sunny's jeans. Who wants them? Her bum's still in them. No pervs, please.
No perps, please. Yeah, those can go.
We're done one side of the closet.
One done. One to go.
Let me go. Closet, like what's this stuff to you?
What?
What is in this closet?
It's still clothes that I wear, but just not like as often.
Okay, so this is not, so these, I bet you a lot of these are gonna go.
Yeah, I would assume so.
Okay. Those are cute.
They're cute. They're just really long.
I love them. We should hem them, but we should first decide. I think these are dressy.
Yes,
and the
I don't
reason they're
know if
dressy is
we-
because of the color.
Yeah, I don't know if we need to hem them then.
So let's grab your shoes.
Those black ones?
Yeah. They can go maybe just a little. Because I feel like right now they're just a little dumpy.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Yep.
Like, actually. Those are cute on you though.
Yeah.
I would wear those with flat shoes, but it looks good.
Yeah, they
They're
don't.
cute on you. So you feel like they're too big.
Yeah, they just feel big because they're so loose.
But I think they're meant to be like those Aritzia pants.
Yeah.
It's the same style.
Okay.
So you're probably missing the crop top to go with them.
Okay.
And then here is closet number 2. So these are the dressier items. I always start with short sleeve to longer sleeve so you can see things. And then we go to white and to long hanging dresses. Here's closet number 1. We got rid of most of the bags. I folded the jeans, workout wear, shorts on the bottom, just a few shoes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. We went through all of Sunny's stuff. I think I filmed her trying on the stuff that she needed. Now we're off to go shopping